Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy. This week recipe is all about another classic, something people get really confused with. The macaroon versus the macaron. Roon, ron. The macaron is made with almond milk and a meringue, whether it's Italian or French. And the macaroon is actually a coconut biscuit. So this recipe is about the roon, not the ron. So make sure you subscribe as usual. You got a little signs at the bottom of the screen. You can click on that. Share it to everyone and please try this recipe. It's super easy, very fast to make. People will love it. Doesn't cost much, and you only use 4 ingredients, and it's gluten free. So I hope you enjoy. You have a lovely weekend. It's raining here in Perth and a little bit sad and still winter. So for people around the South Hemisphere, it's perfect time to bake. I hope you enjoy it, and I see you next week for another recipe. Don't forget, under the video in the comment section, before I leave, there is a link to all my recipe on my website. It's free, so go for it. Just peruse and try some stuff. I talk to you next week. Bye.